In this video, we will talk about API. So let's get started. Well, API stands for Application Programming Interface, through which softwares can interact with each other. I guess you don't get it. Well, this definition is 100% correct as per the software developers who are already familiar with the API because they know how to use API. But the problem is with those people who are not familiar with the API. So our focus is to target every developer, so that they can easily pick every single concept behind API. Let's start with an example. When you try to book airplane ticket, you book it from various websites. Let's say you booked the flight ticket of Air India through Paytm website. But how many times do you book flight ticket from Air India website? You rarely do that. You use other travel agency websites like Paytm, Make My Trip, etc. But how is it possible that you can book the Air India or SpiceJet flight from other websites instead of their own website? And that is where API comes in. Now you are thinking, how is that possible to book Air India ticket from Paytm website? Well, that is because Paytm website is connected with the Air India website via API. And whenever you book Air India flight from Paytm, your order and necessary details will go directly to the Air India website via API. In this course we will learn RESTful API with ASP.NET Core and C#. So, let's begin.